I'm Raj Echambadi. I'm humbled and deeply honored to be the next president at Illinois Tech. At the outset, I would like to thank you for all that you have done and all that you continue to do to build and sustain a legacy of inclusive innovation and excellence. Your tireless efforts, commitment, and entrepreneurial thinking in terms of navigating a once-in-a-century pandemic and then pivoting to adaptable strategies has resulted in a stronger Illinois Tech. I look forward to collaborating with you, supporting you in your line of work in order to make Illinois Tech a beacon and take its rightful place in the pantheon of elite technological universities in the world. Together, let's create a culture where every voice is heard, every experience is honored, and every identity is respected. I look forward to working with you and seeing you on campus fairly soon.